Are you looking for the best cleaners for glass shower doors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cleaners for glass shower doors. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rejuvenate Scrub-Free Soap Scum Remover. Unsightly soap scum is unavoidable on glass shower doors. To remove this icky film, consider this scrub-free cleaning spray from Rejuvenate. The 24-ounce bottle of solution is a non-toxic and non-abrasive option for cleaning soap scum from glass, ceramic, chrome, plastic, and other hard bathroom surfaces. This spray formula leaves glass shower doors shining by removing sticky soap residue. The no-scrub solution is easy to use. Once sprayed, it immediately starts to dissolve soap scum. After sitting for 3 minutes, buildup should easily rinse down the drain. The bleach-free and fragrance-free solution leaves behind no residue or scent, just a streak-free finish. Moving on at number 4, we have the MiracleWipes for glass. Wipes are a simple cleaning solution for a variety of chores. These glass cleaning wipes from MiracleWipes are a convenient pick for maintaining a spotless shower door. This packet includes 30 pre-moistened wipes. Each wipe is surface and skin safe for use on mirrors, windows, and glass surfaces with no need for protective gloves. The ammonia-free wipes leave behind no streaks or residue, so glass doors look clear and clean. Each wipe measures 7 by 8 inches for a sizable cleaning surface. Once the scrubbing is complete, toss the wipe in the trash and follow up with the included dry microfiber cloth for a polished clean. At number 3, we have the Fanny's Glass and Window Cleaning Vinegar Wash. This glass cleaning spray from Fanny's harnesses the natural cleaning power of vinegar. With a streak-free formula, the spray is ideal for glass, chrome, and stainless steel surfaces. The 16.9-ounce bottle leaves a clean and shiny finish on several shower surfaces. In addition to vinegar, this spray incorporates plant-based cleaners, so it is child and pet-friendly. These natural ingredients lift grime, soap scum, and water spots without ammonia or harsh chemicals. The formula features a neutral scent with a hint of lavender derived from essential oils. This natural fragrance leaves a fresh smell without an overpowering chemical scent. At number 2, we have the Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. Most showers need weekly cleaning to keep soap scum and dirt at bay. This no-scrub formula from Wet and Forget is designed to spray down the entire shower from door to walls. The large 64-ounce bottle includes a remote spraying head to evenly coat shower surfaces. The spray and rinse formula is designed to sit on the shower surface for 8 to 12 hours. This extended time allows the spray to break down soap scum, grime, mold, and mildew stains. After the recommended time, simply rinse off the solution with no scrubbing necessary. Each large bottle offers 12 weeks of cleaning solution for an easy clean at an affordable price. This spray is well suited for an easy weekly chore routine with a soft vanilla fragrance and no bleach, ammonia, dyes, or harsh fumes. And finally at number 1, we have the CleanXRepel Glass and Surface Cleaner. Cleaning glass shower doors is less of a chore with this spray cleaner from REPEL. With each use, this spray coats glass with a protective layer. Using a patented barrier technology, this layer repels dirt and residue to prevent water stains and buildup, making surfaces easier to clean in the future. The formula not only repels grime, but it also breaks down tough messes on glass shower doors. The ammonia-free solution dissolves soap scum and other buildup to leave a streak-free finish. This dual-purpose spray is safe to use on glass, fiberglass, and acrylic shower doors, as well as other hard bathroom surfaces, like tile shower walls and chrome fixtures. 3 25-ounce spray bottles are included in this set. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.